99.
Start the car.
Room to improve.
Go
ahead.
Sean McDuffie on course right now. Sean McDuffie in second place.
Thank you.
H Street improves to a 41.5.
We got time. There's people online.
41.592. Still second place, however. Steven Cifuentes on course right now. He currently sits fourth in the novice class. The guys in the first group have
That thing is so loud.
Yeah, I saw the back fender like when you launched. Oh, the Civic behind.
What? Which one?
Behind us.
Yes, that's my old like. Remember my old Japanese go-kart?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Yang's. He's the one that gave us this helmet.
Oh yeah. But Yang has his GoPro on the front of his hood.
Yep.
It's gonna be fun.
We're probably gonna spin out on the next two. We'll see. I'm gonna try not to, but we'll see.
Yeah.
But this seat, again, this seat is phenomenal. A little bit more. Thank you. Woo. Heck yeah.
We can move this one over a bit.
Not bad. I love you, Subaru.
What's up?
No help for
It's alright, we'll put it right here.
565.
Oh no!
Hey man,
What's that?
All right,
having a good time now.
Oh yeah.
On course
Yeah,
right
I'm
now.
having a great time.
Sits in third place in street modified. Let's see if he can improve.
Go ahead and stop the GoPro video and
Slides
show
through
them.
the last turn, runs a 34.066. 34.